In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image within a PowerPoint presentation using Google's interface as our guiding theme. This quick yet detail-focused tutorial is designed to ensure that you can easily manage your slide images with confidence and precision. So, whether you're a newcomer to PowerPoint or just looking to fine-tune your skills, this guide is perfect for you. Let's start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide containing the image you wish to rotate. Once you're there, you'll want to bring your cursor over and simply click on the picture. This step is crucial as it selects the image, allowing us to apply any necessary edits or transformations. You might notice a border or small dots appearing at the corners of the image, indicating that it has been successfully selected. Now that our image is ready for edits, direct your attention to the top of your screen. You'll see various tabs such as Insert, and so on. What we're looking for specifically is the Picture Format tab. Go ahead and click on it. This tab is a powerhouse for all things related to image editing in PowerPoint. It's loaded with tools that let you tweak the appearance, size, and effects of any image. From here, we'll focus on one particular area, the Arrange section. Inside the Arrange section, you'll find a variety of options to align, bring forward, send backward, and more. What we need for today's task is the Rotate option. Click on the word Rotate. Upon clicking it, a drop-down menu should appear, offering several choices on how to apply a rotation to your image. Options like Rotate right 90 degrees, Rotate left 90 degrees, or even Flip vertically and Flip horizontally will be visible to you. You can select any that meet your desired outcome. Feel free to experiment with these options until your image aligns perfectly with your presentation's design needs. Now that we have successfully rotated the image, we're basically done. Your selected image should now be in the orientation you prefer. You've managed to navigate through this process using some of PowerPoint's fundamental tools housed neatly under the Picture Format tab, specifically focused on the Arrange menu. These skills you've acquired today can not only enhance your current presentation, but can be handy for future projects as well. In just a short time, you've learned to skillfully manage image adjustments, adding another valuable skill to your repertoire. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and informative. Don't forget that practice builds proficiency, so feel free to explore and apply these steps on different images within your presentations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials to elevate your PowerPoint game even further.